The Corsair K65 RGB Mini is a premium 60% keyboard packed with features despite its compact size. This keyboard is designed for gamers who prioritize desk space without sacrificing performance. Let's dive into what makes this keyboard special. First off, the 8000 Hz hyperpolling powered by Corsair's Axon technology is a standout feature. This means the keyboard communicates with your PC up to 8 times faster than standard keyboards, resulting in incredibly responsive gameplay. Combined with attention distance, you get an almost instantaneous response. This combination is a serious advantage in competitive gaming. Beyond performance, the K65 RGB Mini offers extensive customization. The per-key RGB backlighting is vibrant and allows for a wide range of lighting effects. The included radiant spacebar and Corsair logo key add a nice touch of personalization. The PBD double-shot keycaps are a welcome addition, providing durability and resistance to wear, fading, and shine. They feel great to the touch and contribute to the overall premium feel of the keyboard. The detachable USB Type-C cable is a practical feature for portability and storage. While the 60% layout saves space, it does require some adjustment if you're used to a full-size keyboard. Essential functions are accessible via function layer combinations, but it takes time to learn. The compact size might also feel cramped for users with larger hands. Overall, the Corsair K65 RGB Mini is a top-tier 60% keyboard. The combination of Axon hyperprocessing, Cherry MX Speed Silver switches, and per-key RGB lighting makes it a powerful tool for gamers. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance keyboard and are willing to adapt to the 60% layout, the K65 RGB Mini is definitely worth considering.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.